Today we are heading to St. Nectan's Glen, one of Cornwall's hidden treasures. I'll guide you through this enchanting place known for its stunning waterfalls and rich natural beauty. Before we begin, a quick tip. Follow the woodland walk path for the best experience. Although both paths lead to the same destination, the woodland walk offers a more immersive journey through ancient trees and vibrant flora. From Tintagel to Boscastle, follow the Coast Road B 3263 to reach the Pay and Display car park in Trevillet. Cross the road and begin your journey near the inscribed Roman pillar by St. Piran's Church, taking in the historical and natural wonders along the way. Pause along the way to admire the native plants and listen to the melodies of birds echoing through the canopies. Planning your visit? Remember, tickets are available on site, and parking is convenient with options for both coins and contactless payment. Make sure to visit in the morning for a quieter experience, and allocate at least 30 minutes for the scenic walk from the car park. As we embark on this adventure, let's soak in the tranquility of this ancient Atlantic rainforest, home to tales of fairies and spirits. Listen closely as the River Trevillet murmurs ahead, guiding us deeper into this natural sanctuary. As we approach the main attraction, St. Nectan's Kieve, let's witness the miracle of nature unfold. Behold, St. Nectan's Kieve, where the river cascades into a crystal-clear pool, surrounded by mosses and ferns, creating a scene of pure beauty. Explore beyond the main waterfall to discover secluded cascades hidden within the glen. Venture along the eco-friendly walkway, newly opened to the public, and connect with nature in its most pristine form. Remember, wear suitable footwear for this nature track and respect the peaceful environment. Thank you for joining me on this journey through St. Nectan's Glen. Cherish these moments and embrace the tranquility of this magical place. Until next time, love nature, love St. Nectan's Glen.